Oh, OBAAK3 dey fine, nice, edine de. But the be me yasa abrofo ne beba no mo nkasa, o mekasa OBAAK. Ahansi yanto pa no wa ha. Into nani
on Ghana SM TV, do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, OBAAK3 has been trending. Wezo has been trending. AKWAABA has been trending. So guys, you know, anytime people come from the United States or wherever to Ghana, at the airport, we have something, we have a welcome inscripted on the walls of the airports, AKWAABA, which is an Akan word. Now, the guns have risen since 1992, all right, or since independence. This thing has been there, but today the guns are saying that the land of Ghana belongs to them, so no Akan name can be used on our airports. It should be changed to OBAAK3. It has generated a lot of control.
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the guns. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting
controversies? People have been talking. People have been sharing their views. Now, a lot of celebrities and social media activists have been expressing their views on it. Guys, people roasted Belamundi.
AKWAABA or OBAAK3? You say what? OBAAK3. You want OBAAK3? Early morning.
You know the here. AKWAABA is more international. Everybody knows AKWAABA. I understand the guns, okay, that okay they should have inclusion in their addition, but they should say that some of the very iconic places, their addition should be included, rather than take it off. And I understand.
Even with AKWAABA,
yes. So something
they can add the OBAAK3 to, but not to take off.
And this is not from the government. Okay, well, government signed a deal with MTN anyway.
Yeah.
So MTN is something they'll be using all the time. It's a tagline, AKWAABA. They have plenty everywhere you go. AKWAABA. What do we have to do? Something like that.
But I think it's a very strategic something for MTN.
Yeah. It is.
I've not even thought of it. That is for
it's for MTN. Of course, they bought the right to put it here. It's kind of like a banner.
So then it's not governmental. It's not governmental. So that means if they are changing to OBAAK3, it means MTN should have a say in it.
Exactly.
Because
MTN, no, MTN will not change it because that is their tag. It's a part of their tagline. If they will change it, it means that government will lose this thing to another, probably that will have OBAAK3 something in their tagline.
Yeah.
Charlie brand building, your this thing is tagline is also part. You can't come and put OBAAK3 here because people are saying no, it will affect your brand.
Yeah. And I'm not even sure MTN would want to, because as you are saying, that AKWAABA is a global something. Like
it's global. It's
all around.
And they don't say accounts. They don't say accounts. They say Ghanaian.
Yeah, Ghanaian. Yeah.
And I just, as I was saying, I understand the guns. Okay, don't take us out. So what I am of a view is that okay, put their languages. Very iconic places.
So why not, are they trying to? Do you think they are trying to be superior to the other tribes? So because this has been here for long. So why is it now they want us to change it to OBAAK3 in their language? Charlie Glover, what do you think? Oh, you think like the guys are trying to be superior? Because I don't know why all of a sudden we should change this.
Okay, so I think they've been taken for granted for long, and right now they want a place in there.
It's kind of.
But I mean, like I said, I didn't know it was for MTN. I thought it was governmental stuff.
MTN.
I think it's MTN. Then I think
the
argument doesn't hold.
Of course.
If it's not government, then I mean the argument doesn't hold.
It's for advertisement.
It's a personal brand stuff.
Just like we have Emirates Sports Stadium. Emirates bought the rights, the naming right. Emirates bought it. Emirates Sports. So you can't say Arsenal Sports Stadium. It's wrong. Emirates. That name will still be there until Emirates is no more with.
No, yeni wamu a omode ethnicity adane wamu kasa. Oti ase ene amene wo kasa yi. Ugoduru Ghana airport ni Kwame Nkrumah museum a obi aka ho asem okeke. Se AKWAABA no adane OBAAK3.
OBAAK3
Maybe say OBAAK3. Say uba airport ye nyina ye nim AKWAABA wezolo ye si anwura ni bia ube free anwura ma be sin cry ube ka wezo no ye be chewo this oka OBAAK3
OBAAK3
a Greater Accra regional minister oba no a okọ vetia ye eno na ya na meka no when the 5 minutes pe kra wo ho we should have interrogated her well to know what is happening. Sawa Bay and Ablekumanov, wo yi sikato vote. What's the
Ghana Tourist Board. I believe the time has come for you guys to change the AKWAABA on all the signs at the tourist sites in the Greater Accra region. Simply because this tourist attraction sites, they are in the Greater Accra region, and the Ghana word for welcome is OBAAK3, not AKWAABA. So I think that one would be a step in the right direction if AKWAABA is removed from all the tourist attraction sites in the Greater Accra region and replaced with OBAAK3. But when it comes to the airport, Kotoka International Airport, it is an international territory. And AKWAABA has already gained international recognition. So you cannot remove AKWAABA. That one, I don't support it. Even Bill Clinton came to Ghana in 1998. I was in SS1 at ACCRA Academy. He said AKWAABA in his speech at the Independence Square. Hey. So AKWAABA is internationally recognized. It has to stay at the airport. You can add OBAAK3, but AKWAABA still stays. But when it comes to the tourist attraction sites, AKWAABA go away, OBAAK3 in. That's my advice. Take it. Let Ghana continue to enjoy its peace. Ghana needs development, not division. Thank you and happy Friday.
Are welcome in this country with this kente sash with AKWAABA inscripted on it. The white people, or anytime they come here, because their roots is definitely from the Ashanti and some parts of Ghana, they love the AKWAABA. The AKWAABA is largely accepted worldwide as a Ghanaian language meaning welcome. Now the Ghana people say no, we cannot stick to only kenke and fish because that cannot sell us. We want to take over the airport. Now the minister or the Ashanti regional minister is the one fueling this tribalistic agenda. Guys, this woman says she's going to support whatever the GANs propose because the GAN or Greater Accra belongs to the GANs. So if you like, take your AKWAABA to Prempeh the second airport and not Kotoka International Airport.
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the GANs. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting?